Hello dear friends, I bring you warm greetings. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about an interesting topic, reading. Do you know that reading is one of the most important elements or brain activities that can help you bring your language skills to the next level? Well, to elucidate the proper way my point, I have some few books here. Let's take for instance this book. Tour de France, Frankreich in kleinen Geschichten erzählt und übersetzt von Irene Kuhn. Well, if you take this book for instance, let's say you are fluent in French and you want to improve your German, or perhaps you already have a conversational level in the German language but you want to put or bring your German language to a higher level. So this approach that I'm going to explain can be beneficial to you. This book, as I said, is in two languages, in French as well as in German. It is originally written in French but translated in the German language. So if you use this approach of reading this book in these two languages, French and German, the benefit is that you will definitely learn new words, but you also understand how the language works, how words and expressions are used in a particular context, how sentences are constructed in the language. So usually when you are learning a new language, you have that tendency to translate it in your head. We all, experience that. We have that tendency to translate everything in our heads. But the benefit of using this approach is that there are synonyms that you can use to put your ideas across. If you give this book to someone to translate it, the person might beautifully translate it, but not necessarily using the words and expressions that Irene Kuhn has used. So the benefit is that you indeed be free to express your ideas using synonyms, not necessarily translating in your head. You'll be free to speak and then put your ideas across. That is the benefit. I have used this book a number of times and I know that it is indeed beneficial. I can just recommend it to you. Not necessarily when you already speak French and you want to improve German, but the other way around works as well. For instance, you are fluent in German and you want to improve your French or you want to learn French. So the benefit of reading a book in two languages at the same time, you have a particular language that you are fluent in here and then the language you are trying to improve on the other page. So both are there before you, so it becomes easier for your brain because the brain absorbs it. The brain tries to absorb what you are reading. So these are some of the books that I have here in so many languages: French, German, English, Latin, and Italian. So as I said, if you want to improve your English, you want to improve your German, French, these are the books that I have here. I am not selling them, I'm just donating them. Sharing is caring. So if you are interested, you can just drop something in the comments and then I'll see how I could help you. If you are learning a new language and you have the impression or the feeling that you are not making headways, I would like to encourage you. Do not give up. Try hard, work, read, and I strongly believe that there will definitely be light at the end of the tunnel. If you like this video, share it, like it, and then subscribe to my channel, of course. And there are so many beautiful videos, topics that are ahead. Thank you. you so much and may God bless you. Ciao.